So, quickly, this is just to say that there is a borderline scientifically between pure and impure materials. The pure materials are said to basically elements and compounds, which we know that can be represented by a chemical formula. Impure materials are adulterated, they are polluted, they are not pure, combining a lot of materials together. Sometimes they may appear as being homogeneous, at other times they may appear as heterogeneous. For instance, if you mix your sand and sand, for instance, and let's say rice together, okay, you'll be able to see that these things are not really blending. Or you put your normal gari flakes in water, you could see clearly that it's not homogeneous and it's a mixture. But in the case of palm wine appears to be like it appears to be homogeneous. However, it is also a mixture because in palm wine you have a lot of materials put together. Uh, so, impure substances would end up being natural earthly materials like ores or artificial blended materials like brine or Fanta or Coca-Cola. Let's quickly look at this. Which of these is pure? Soda ash, petroleum, palm wine, formalin. You can go ahead and pick your answers and let me know what your choice of answer is. And by the time I see you in the next class, I'll be able to tell you the correct answer. Let me also add here that sometimes you meet a material, it looks like it is pure, but it depends on its natural form. So, for instance, we could say oxygen is pure, but air is not pure because oxygen is part of air. Oxygen is an element, it is pure, but air is a mixture of gases that makes it impure. So, understand how the question is presented so that you know at what condition you can see something either being an element or a compound. If it is an element or a compound, it is pure. If it is in form of a mixture, then